What if the key to transforming your health, boosting your energy, and protecting your body from disease was already in the foods you eat every day? The truth is, certain superfoods have the power to dramatically improve your health when combined with habits backed by science. Modern science confirms that nutrition plays a critical role in preventing chronic diseases, strengthening immunity, improving brain function, and increasing longevity. Many doctors and health experts recommend specific superfoods because they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body heal and perform at its best. By building simple daily nutrition habits backed by science, you can improve your heart health, support your liver, boost your metabolism, and increase your overall wellness naturally. Your health is shaped by your daily habits. Choosing the right foods can help reduce inflammation, boost energy, strengthen your immune system, and protect your body from long-term damage. Watch until the end to learn which superfoods you should start eating today to transform your health naturally. What if I told you the secret to vibrant health isn't a fad diet or expensive pills, but 10 everyday foods sitting right in your grocery store? Hey everyone, and welcome to a journey that's going to flip your health switch from May to magnificent. We're not talking about complicated routines or exotic ingredients you can barely pronounce. Today, we're diving deep into 10 powerhouse superfoods that are so easy to find, so simple to incorporate, and so incredibly effective, they'll make you wonder why you haven't been eating them your whole life. Get ready to ditch the sluggishness, boost your energy, and build a body that feels invincible, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to a healthier, happier you, all from your kitchen. Now, let's be real for a moment. Have you ever felt like you're just drifting through your health journey, trying every new diet or supplement that promises the world, only to end up right back where you started? One day you're full of motivation, the next you're staring at the clock, battling that familiar afternoon slump, and wondering if feeling truly energetic and vibrant is just a fantasy. It's frustrating, right? We're constantly bombarded with conflicting advice, making it seem like a healthy life is an exclusive club reserved for nutritionists and fitness gurus. But what if I told you the true power to transform your health, not just for a week, but for the long haul, is already accessible, affordable, and incredibly delicious? You don't need a degree in biochemistry to understand that what you put into your body directly impacts how you feel, how you look, and how much energy you have to conquer your day. The good news? Nature has already done most of the work for us, packing incredible benefits into everyday foods. It's time to stop chasing complicated solutions and start embracing the simple, profound power of these nutritional superstars. First up, let's talk about spinach, your body's unsung hero for energy and cellular defense. Forget Popeye's cartoon muscles for a second. This leafy green is a true powerhouse for your internal engine. It's bursting with iron, which is like the spark plug for your energy levels, preventing that dreaded afternoon drag. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin K for strong bones and powerful antioxidants that sweep up damaging free radicals in your body, basically giving your cells a deep clean. Studies even show leafy greens can slow cognitive decline, keeping your brain sharp. Don't just eat it in salads, blend it into a fruit smoothie, sneak it into scrambled eggs, or wilt it into pasta sauces. It practically disappears, leaving only goodness behind. Next, we have the little blue gems, blueberries. These aren't just sweet treats, they're nature's tiny brain boosters and anti-aging agents. Packed with potent antioxidants called anthocyanins, blueberries are renowned for protecting your cells from damage, which translates to healthier skin and a sharper memory. Think of them as tiny guardians for your brain and a fountain of youth in a bite-sized package. Research consistently links regular blueberry consumption to improved cognitive function and heart health. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, mix them into yogurt, or just grab a handful as a snack. Then, let's spotlight salmon, the king of omega-3s. If you want a brain that fires on all cylinders and a heart that beats strong, wild-caught salmon is your best friend. Its rich omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation, improving brain health, and supporting a healthy heart. They're literally building blocks for your brain cells. Beyond that, salmon is a fantastic source of lean protein, keeping you full and satisfied. Aim for it twice a week, baked, grilled, or pan-seared. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Moving on to the creamy, dreamy avocado. This fruit is a monounsaturated fat marvel. Don't fear the fat here. These are good fats that actually help lower bad cholesterol, keep you feeling full for longer, and help your body absorb other fat-soluble vitamins. Avocados are also packed with fiber and potassium, essential for digestion and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Slice it on toast, mash it into guacamole, or add it to your salads. It's a game changer for satiety and nutrient absorption. Fifth on our list are chia seeds, tiny but mighty. These little warriors are like a super absorbent sponge for nutrients. They're loaded with fiber, which is fantastic for digestion and keeping your blood sugar stable, preventing those energy crashes. Plus, they offer plant-based omega-3s, protein, and a host of minerals. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel, making them perfect for puddings or as a thickening agent. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or make overnight chia pudding for a powerhouse breakfast. Our sixth superfood is the golden spice, turmeric. You've probably heard of it, and for good reason. This vibrant root contains curcumin, a compound with incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Think of it as a natural internal firefighter, calming inflammation throughout your body, which is at the root of so many chronic health issues. While often used in curries, you can easily add a pinch to scrambled eggs, soups, or even make a soothing turmeric latte. Just remember to pair it with black pepper to boost its absorption. Next, let's talk about the pungent protector, garlic. More than just a flavor enhancer, garlic is a powerful immune booster. It contains allicin, a compound famous for its medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to a stronger immune system, helping you ward off colds and flu. It's also great for heart health. Roast it, saute it, or mince it fresh into salad dressings. It adds incredible depth and health benefits to almost any savory dish. Number 8, the vibrant sweet potatoes. Ditch the regular spuds once in a while and embrace these orange beauties. They're a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, meaning sustained energy without the sugar spike and crash. They're also loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, crucial for vision, immune function, and healthy skin. Plus, they pack a good amount of fiber. Bake them, mash them, roast them, or even turn them into healthy fries. They're delicious and incredibly versatile. Our ninth contender is quinoa. If you're looking for a grain that truly punches above its weight, quinoa is it. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. This makes it an amazing option for muscle repair and growth, and for keeping you full and energized. It's also gluten-free and packed with fiber and minerals. Use it as a base for salads, a side dish, or even in breakfast bowls. Finally, we arrive at green tea. This ancient beverage isn't just a calming drink. It's a potent elixir for overall health. Rich in antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, green tea is a metabolism booster, a brain enhancer, and a protector against cellular damage. Studies suggest it can even help with fat burning and reduce the risk of several chronic diseases. Swap out your sugary drinks for a cup of green tea daily. It's a simple habit with profound health returns. See, the real magic isn't in finding one single miracle food. It's in consistently inviting these powerhouses into your daily routine. Think of it not as a diet, but as upgrading your operating system, one delicious bite at a time. Each berry, each seed, each leafy green is a tiny investment in a future where you wake up feeling energetic, thinking clearer, and living with more vitality. This isn't about deprivation. It's about abundance, overflowing with nutrients that make your body sing. So, there you have it. 10 incredible foods that aren't just good for you, they're truly transformative. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 this week and watch your health begin to shift. You have the power to feel amazing, and these foods are your secret weapon. Ready for more ways to supercharge your life? Click on this video right here to discover the next simple habit that can change everything. Thanks for watching the video.